Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions for the all competitive examinations. As you can see, how exactly I have already discussed up to part 17. Please check my playlist. You will have the various questions from the previous year examinations. So let us see what we have the initial slide. The two balls moving towards each other collide and then move apart. The physical quantity whose value is the same before and after the collision is known as. This is one thing we have to remember, that is the momentum, how exactly once the two balls get collide each other and move apart. This is one thing we have to remember. After the collision we will have the momentum, that is equal to rho is equal to mass into velocity. That is the formula for the momentum. As you can see, the latent heat is required for the vaporization of water, that is 540 calorie per gram is required per gram. Calories of 540 is required for the vaporization of water. You can see here to the right side how exactly that has been given. The compound which is used in the manufacturing of baking powder, we knew that sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3, which is used for the baking purpose in the bakeries. The baking powder is used. Now we have the fruit that is given by the herb. We knew that is jackfruit. The metal is low in the content of meat, that is copper, which has very less in the content of meat. The plants absorb from the soil, that is gravitational water. You can see to the right side how exactly the gravitational water drains right through. So this plant absorbs from the soil, that gravitational water is absorbed. As you can see to the right side how exactly hygroscopic water, gravitational water and capillary water exist. A roundworm that enters man's body through the soles of the feet is, that is hookworm. This is the one, if you go through internet how exactly the hookworm looks like, this hookworm directly enters through the feet of the man. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 800 plus question papers have been given for various competitive examinations. It has been segregated into various sections. You can just have a look and you can directly go through each and every topic. Iron is richly available in what? That is in jaggery. Maximum content of iron is available. You can directly go through how exactly the jaggery looks like. A blood clot unwound or cut is made up of a mesh of fibers, that is with the minerals. As you can see, what are the blood clot unwound or cut is made up of a mesh of fibers, that is they are known as minerals. With the help of minerals it can be cured. The Pearl City, we should remember that the Hyderabad is called as the city of pearls. So that is one thing you have to remember. If they had been given as Tuticorin as an example, the city of pearls is Hyderabad, the Pearl City is Tuticorin. So you will find the difference what exactly in the question has been given. If they have been given as the city of pearls, that is Hyderabad. If they has been given as the Pearl City, that is Tuticorin. Depends on the options, whatever you have, you put the as per the options. Japan experience frequent earthquakes because it is located on the meeting point of two plates of Earth's crust. This is one thing you have to remember. The reason of getting maximum earthquake in Japan, that is because it is located on the meeting point of two plates of Earth's crust. This is one thing, main reason why Japanese get maximum earthquake. In 1943, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose proclaimed the formation of the Provisional Government of Independent India, that is also known as Azad Hind Fauj, which is also known as Indian National Army. So this in 1943 he proclaimed in Singapore the formation of the Azad Hind, the first to invade and rule the northwest India, that is Bactrian Greeks. This is one thing you have to remember. Who are the first to invade and rule the northwest India? They are Bactrian Greeks. The chairman of the Boundary Commission which drew the boundary lines for India and Pakistan was, we knew that the demarcation between the India and Pakistan, that is Radcliffe. So that demarcation has been done by Sir Cyril Radcliffe. The largest district in India is, that is in Gujarat it is located. You can see how exactly Kutch looks like. This is the place in Gujarat where you have got the largest district in India. The spiritual leader associated with the founding of the Vijayanagara kingdom was, as you can see to the right side, the Hampi Vijayanagara Empire, founded in 1336 to rescue the Hinduism and culture. Sri Vidyaranya of Adi Shankaracharya was encouraged and forced Harihara Bukka to build the great Vijayanagara Empire, that called as Suvarna Yuga in Indian history. So this is one thing you have to remember. During the time of Vijayanagara Empire is known as Suvarna Yuga in Indian history. So this spiritual leader concerning to the founding of Vijayanagara kingdom was Vidyaranya. So Vidyaranya was the main spiritual leader. The school of painting developed independently during the Mughal period was Bijapur school, which was developed during the time of Mughal period. The script in the Kashmiri language was originally written was the script named as Sharda. This script in the Kashmiri language was originally written. The capital of the Eastern Chalukya was Vengi Chalukyas. We knew that they have been called as Vengi Chalukyas. The capital of Eastern Chalukya was Vengi. Now we have, during the Gupta period in Indian history, village affairs were managed by the village headman with the assistance of Mahattara. So please remember, during this Gupta period of Indian history, village affairs, whatever the affairs, were managed by the village headman, but these village headmen were assisted by the Mahattara during the time of Gupta period. Now we have the standard distance to be covered in the marathon race, as you can see to the right side, that is near about 26 miles, which is equivalent to 385 yards. Now it has become to 42 kilometers something. You can directly go through whatever has been given. Theosophist, educationist and Indian nationalist leader. This description fits to whom? Annie Besant. We knew that the Home Rule League was formed by whom? That was formed by the Annie Besant. She was Theosophist, educationist and Indian nationalist leader. So this is one thing you have to remember, guys. So next we have the first navigator who sailed around the earth and proved that the shape of the earth is round was Ferdinand Magellan. He was one of the sea route explorer who had come from one place to and finished at the same place, and he had told that the earth is round. The original home of the Kushans was in Chinese Turkestan. So whatever the original home, which was in Chinese Turkestan. The asteroid lies between Mars and Jupiter. Please remember, guys, whatever the asteroid belt which lies between the Mars and Jupiter, the gravitational force of Jupiter was maximum. Because of that reason, maximum asteroids have been sucked by the Jupiter. The Constitution of India doesn't mention the post of the Deputy Prime Minister. Please remember, guys, the Deputy Prime Minister, there is no post at all. There is only Prime Minister. You have the Vice President, but not the Deputy Prime Minister. We have the Amarasimha, who was a lexicographer. You can see to the right side, he was a poet, and lexicographer means who make maximum dictionary. Composes dictionary is a lexicographer. Here Amarasimha was a lexicographer. The President of India was referred the Ayodhya issue to the Supreme Court of India under the article what? That is under the article 143. So this is one thing you have to remember. The President of India was referred the Ayodhya issue to the Supreme Court under the Article 143. The one responsible for the introduction of permanent settlement in Bengal, that is Lord Cornwallis, was the main reason who had brought the permanent settlement of Bengal. The Harappan site showing evidence of two cultural phases, Harappan and pre-Harappan, is Kalibangan. So this is one thing you have to remember. Kalibangan indicates the evidence of two cultural phases, that is one is Harappan, another is pre-Harappan, that is Kalibangan. So these are the few questions, guys. I done my maximum. You can call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you, guys. If you have any queries, you can directly message me on this comment section. If you need more, you can directly message me. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.